Observe here the concept on orthocenter and circumcenter. In special case, the points A comma B, A comma C, D comma B form a right angle triangle. Since here from the given points we have to observe y coordinates are equal from 2 points. If y coordinates are equal, then the line joining 2 points is parallel to x axis, that is horizontal line. So remaining 2 points x coordinates are equal. If x coordinates are equal in remaining 2 points, then the line joining the points is parallel to y axis. It is vertical line. That's why vertical line and horizontal line always perpendicular to each other. Their point of intersection is called orthocenter. Since these two are altitudes, since according to the definition of the altitude, a line passing to the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side is called altitude. So that's why here two altitudes are there. Their point of intersection is orthocenter, that is A comma B. That's why vertex at the right angle. Vertex at right angle is called orthocenter. It is denoted by H. And midpoint of hypotenuse is called circumcenter. It is denoted by S. Now we are going to question on this concept. The distance between orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle formed by the points 2, 3, 2, 5 and 4, 3 is first option root 2, second option 2 root 2, third option 3 root 2 and fourth option 4 root 2. Now we have to solve this question. Observe here. So here repeated x coordinate and repeated y coordinate. Where from the points where we have to observe repeated x coordinate comma repeated y coordinate, that is the point is called vertex at the right angle is called orthocenter. That's why vertex at the right angle, vertex at right angle, vertex at right angle is orthocenter, orthocenter H, that is 2, 3. Since that is repeated x coordinate comma repeated y coordinate. Now vertex at that means midpoint of hypotenuse. What is the midpoint of hypotenuse? Midpoint of these two. That means midpoint of remaining 2 points. Midpoint of hypotenuse is midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse is circumcenter, circumcenter. Yes, that is midpoint of remaining these 2 points 2 plus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3 comma 5 plus 3 by 2, that is 8 by 2, 4. Clear? Now we have to find the distance between them. Now required distance between H and S, that is HS is equal to square root of HS is equal to square root of 3 minus 2 whole square, that is 1. 4 minus 3 whole square, that is 1. That's why it is root 2. That's why that is first option. That's all. Okay.